Hello and welcome to Mr. Walton's Physics Lessons. In today's lesson we'll be learning about electric current from the electricity topic of GCSE Combined Science and GCSE Physics. By the end of the lesson you should be able to define electric current and use the formula to calculate current and charge flow. Electric current is the flow of charge around a circuit. Current flows from the positive side of the cell to the negative side. Electric current is defined as the rate of flow of charge around a circuit. It is measured with an ammeter, in amperes. It's normally shortened to the letter A. The symbol for an ammeter is a capital A in a circle, as shown. The size of the electric current flowing in a circuit can be calculated using the formula, I equals Q divided by T, where I is the current measured in amperes, Q is the amount of charge measured in coulombs, and T is the time the current is flowing in seconds. In this example question, a cell has a charge of 138 coulombs passing through it every 60 seconds. Calculate the flow through the circuit. Pause the lesson now and restart it when you're ready to check your answer. Firstly, write the formula I equals Q divided by T. Then substitute the numbers given in the question so you have I equals 138 divided by 60. So the answer is 2.3 amperes. To calculate the amount of charge passing a point in a circuit, you will need to rearrange the formula to Q equals I times T. Remember you can use the formula triangle to help you rearrange the equation. Simply cover up the quantity you need to calculate and whatever is left is the correct formula. So if you cover Q you are left with I times T. In this example question, a current of 2.3 amperes flows through a circuit in 3 minutes. Calculate how much charge flows in that time. Pause the lesson now and restart it when you're ready to check your answer. Firstly, the formula you need is Q equals I times T. So Q equals 2.3 amperes times 180 seconds. Remember time has to be measured in seconds, so 3 minutes is 180 seconds. 414 coulombs of charge flows in the circuit. So you should now be able to define electric current as the rate of flow of charge. And use the formula I equals Q divided by T to calculate the size of the current and the amount of charge that flows. If you found this lesson useful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to see future lessons. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.